Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off safe search mode on Google on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to do browsing on your iPhone on Google and you search for websites on Google, and if you want to turn off or turn on safe search mode on Google, so how you can find that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and you have to look for transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on that. And after that, you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to open the Safari or any browser you have, so which may be Chrome. So here you have to simply open the Google, and you have to open it. And after that, you can simply click on three lines here, and here you can simply find the option of safe search mode. So here you can simply find safe search mode. So if you want to know more about safe search, so all the details are available. So here you can simply click on off, and you can also click on filter, so that it can filter all the explicit contents, text and links. So in this way you can simply turn off or change the safe search settings on Google on iPhone without any problem. But you have to make sure that you have logged into your account on Google, and after that it will be changed permanently, so that when you try to search on Google, it will filter all the website because you have turned on or turned off safe search mode on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.